at the local Walmart, and looks like Red Bull's doing a little thing where you can get on a riding simulator and you can do a pit experience, pit stop challenge. So I guess I'll stop and give it a try.
All right, I'm ready to go whenever you guys are ready to go.
I'll be over in a sec.
Okay, we can do a couple of them. Okay. All right, for this one, on my countdown, on your marks, get set, go. All right, blue side's off first. Now it's red side. Blue side is on. Red side's not far behind. Blue side is done, and that was under 7 seconds.
Yeah. Yeah, that was really smooth.
Yeah. Oh, is it magnetic?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's why you want to float it, because you want to keep that magnet stuff.
Okay, gotcha.
That magnet is just only a light magnet.
Right. I just felt it like, I was like, oh.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ah! That's good. Do one more.
We are one of 3 teams out there. Under 4 seconds, I think, is the fastest in the country right now.
Fastest in the country.
You're not too bad, honestly. That's quick. So what I can do for you is I can video with your phone, and I can time with my phone.
Okay.
If you'd like to.
That works.
Yeah, that's good. I like Ono Hawaiian.
You're gonna try to get fast time. Under 4 is going to be really hard. All right, here we go.
I'm just going to tell you now, under 4 is going to be really hard.
That's the winner. Yeah.
All righty.
There we go.
On your marks. Get set. Go. There it is. Good job. So you're under 7. You're 6.58.